Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Hi, my name is Bo. Why do I say like my name is Bo? Like I'm asking? I don't know. My name is Bo. So today I will be doing this look. It's very purple and it's very goth. I don't know because of the choker or not, but minus the choker would not be goth. I don't know, but yeah, I'll be doing this look today and I hope you enjoy the video, and let's dive in. So I know it's been a while that I haven't filmed or talk on camera because I don't feel like it. Today I'm going to the Prodigy concert. Usually I'm not a fan or anything, just my husband really loved this band, so he's kind enough to let me tag along. Put on some primer. I'm using No Problem primer from Touch in Soul. Okay, their album cover is purple, so I guess today we'll do purple, which is my favorite color and the color of my hoodie. For the foundation, this is Maybelline Fit Me 125, which I have to put it upside down because it's going to finish. What the f? I dropped it. And I really want to finish it so I can get a new foundation without feeling guilty. It's a little lighter from my face right now because I went on holidays and got a lot of tan, and I haven't gotten around to buy new products for my new tan. Maybe I should, because my tan lasts very long. Okay, next going to put on some concealer. I'm using Instant Anti-Age Eraser from Maybelline. My house is very quiet right now. Should listen to some music. Hey Google, play The Prodigy.
Playing The Prodigy on Spotify.
Thank you. Who's here a fan of The Prodigy? Let me know down in the comments, and what song do you like the most? Maybe today I'll get some footage of the. Hey Google, turn down to level 3. Hey Google, turn down to level 2. Turn down to level 1. What was it saying? Maybe I get some footage of the Prodigy from the concert and put in this video. Okay, next I'm going to contour. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. Yeah, forgive me for being like this because I haven't filmed in a while and I'm not very good at it. This is Mousse, by the way, and I really need to get a little, not sober before the concert. So it will be amazing there. And the browns are done. I used Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brown. For the upper eyes, I'm just gonna do a wing. So I'm using NYX Epic Black. I'm scared. It dries really fast. And I have this little thing here that I don't know what to do. Okay, now 3 years later, I finally got my wings. So let's move on to the under eye. So I'm gonna still use this, and I hope, I really do, I hope I can smudge it. Otherwise the whole thing is just well, it does smudge. I'm going to set the cream product with eyeshadow, black eyeshadow. This is Ravn from NYX. Now the black is there. I'm going to put in some purple, and you know, a good purple is from this. I'm going with root canal. Just put it right at the black part. Nice. And then I'm going to put this Super Shock shadow from Colourpop on the tear duct. Where's the pigment? So I'm gonna wet my brush. There she is. Purple as I'm going to put an eyeliner in my waterline. This is actually a lip liner from Tarte. This is Black Out from Tarte. I'm going to use a setting powder from Kiko Milano. It's an Italian brand, obviously. And before that, I'm going to contour Lunatick Cosmetic Labs Contour Palette, and this is volume 1. This is my first time dipping into this. I got this from the Black Friday sale, so I'm going to use, I don't know, this color, this one. Ooh. This is going to be my new contour palette, the one and only, because now I'm poor. Let's continue with the baking. Usually I don't bake because it's a waste of time for me. But today we're going to a concert, so you're supposed to be, you know, sweaty. That is strong, right? I'm drunk. Right, mascara. I just got this I Love Extreme Volume Mascara from Essence. Well, let's see how it goes. And this one is supposed to be waterproof, so I guess that's good. in case you go to a concert and you sweat or cry. I went to Night Witch concert recently, and the last song, the song is called Ghost Love Score, and it's like my most favorite songs ever from them, and it's like finale, and I just started crying like a lot, and I was wearing fake eyelashes and they fell off because I didn't use proper glue. So use waterproof things, people, when you go to a concert, because you don't know when you might cry. Can I just say that I love this mascara. €2. I don't think I need falsies today at all, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to put it on. I'm going to dust off this bake. For the blush, maybe this purpley one. Ooh. Let's do some highlights. So today's purple. I'm going to use a purple highlighter. This is from NYX again. It's Lavender Steel Chromatic. Okay, and it's a little bit shattered in here, but we'll make it work. Come on, like, oh my god, I love this highlighter. And I'm going to use a little brush to put it on the the brown bones. Look at that. On the eye too. What the hell? Oh, my highlighter. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow. I feel like it works better with the finger. There. M.A.C Heroine Matte. It's purple. What I'm going to do next is to put in black lip liner on the inner parts, so it like adds a little something to it. And we're done. Not done. Let me go finish my hair and I'll be right back. Alright, here is my complete look, and I'm ready to go out, and maybe I will insert some footage from the concert. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe or not, or whatever, or thumbs up, and let me know what you think. Okay? Alright. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye.
Woo!